Hi my dear students, welcome to the class. In this video, we are going to look into 2017 question paper of internal reconstruction. See the question. They give the balance sheet. Balance sheet value is so much here, 36 lakh 40,000, and they give the loss amount. When come to loss amount, we need to go for internal reconstruction. See the one by one. First one, 12% preference shares are to be converted into 15% of rupees 75 each. 12% preference shares are to be converted into 15% of rupees 75 each. How much old preference share? Old preference share is only 12%. No, we are increasing to how much? 15%, but we are reducing how much of amount? Old is 100 each, but now new is 75 each. So what is the entry? Old preference share capital upon data 2, new preference share capital upon data 2, capital reduction. How much profit? Old is how much? Old is 100 rupees, new is 75, difference profit is 25. Entry old 12% preference shares, old 12% preference share capital upon data 2, new 15% preference share capital to capital reduction account. Capital reduction account. How much old here? Old is 12 lakh. Of rupees how much? One share value is 100 rupees. There is how much of amount? 12 lakh. So how many preference shares issued? That is 12 lakh divided by 100. We need to take it as 12,000. 12,000 into 100, that is 12 lakh. Now 12,000 into 75, that is 9 lakh. So how much profit amount? Profit amount is 3 lakh. It is for capital reduction. B, it is same, that is 12% preference share to be reduced rupees 75 each. Next one, second entry, equity shares are to be converted into 5 each. How much old equity share? Old equity share rupees 10 each is how much? 12 lakh. No, we are reducing to only 5 rupees. So how much profit amount? Old is 10, new is 5, profit is 5 rupees. Entry old equity share to new equity share to capital reduction. Old equity share capital upon data to new equity share capital upon data to capital reduction account. How much old here? Old is 12 lakh. Here identify number of shares. How to identify the number of shares? 12 lakh divided by say 12 lakh divided by 10 rupees, that is we are getting 1 lakh 20,000 shares into 10 rupees is 12 lakh. Say 1 lakh 20,000 into 5, that is 6 lakh. So how much profit amount? Profit amount is 6 lakh rupees. B, equity share converted into rupees 5 each. When come to B, write the same as it is they given in the question. Next one, when come to third one, debenture holders agree to be forego outstanding interest. See, almost when come to previous video, we discussed the debenture amount. Debenture amount, like example, how much debenture amount here? Debenture amount is 8 lakh. How much interest we have to pay? Interest is 10%. So 8 lakh into 10 percentage, we have to get 80,000. The question is, debenture holders agree to be forego outstanding interest. They are not agree to forego the principal amount. They are agree to forego only the outstanding interest, subject to condition that rate of interest is increased to 15%. How much debenture interest here? 10%. Now they are going to be agree to be forego only the outstanding interest amount, not the principal amount. Outstanding interest is how much here? Outstanding interest is only 80,000. They are going to forego only this 80,000, not the entire 8 lakh. Subject to condition that the interest rate we have to increase from 10% to 15%. So what is journal entry here? When coming to this one, it is profit or loss for us is agreed to be foregone. Is agreed to be foregone in the sense it's a kind of profit for the company. So go for entry. Outstanding interest upon return or outstanding debenture interest upon return to capital reduction account. Why there is any kind of old or new here? See, when come to old to new, it comes under only applicable for equity shares, preference shares, and debenture. That is the capital amount. On the capital amount, only go for like example old to new, and all. When come to debentures also, example for debenture holders, you have to pay how much of amount here? 8 lakh. The question says that the debenture holders agree to be forego 10% or 20% in the sense on this 8 lakh amount. We need to agree to be forego how much? 10% entry, old debenture to new debenture to capital reduction account. But when come to here, they agree to be forego only the outstanding interest, so only consider only outstanding interest upon data to capital reduction account. But sometimes the preference shareholders also they are going to agree to forego preference dividend. If they agree to be forego any kind of preference dividend, no, don't consider, because it is not a kind of compulsory obligation. When come to outstanding interest, it's a kind of compulsory obligation. If they agree to be forego in the sense, it's a kind of profit for us, right? So go for outstanding interest upon data to capital reduction account. So what is the amount? That is 80,000. If this preference dividend agreed to be forego, don't consider. Only outstanding interest agreed to be forego, we have to consider. Being debenture holders forego only the outstanding interest amount. Next one, fourth one, creditors agree to be forego 25% of their claim. For the creditors, how much amount we have to pay? For the creditors, we have to pay 3 lakh rupees. Of this 3 lakh rupees, creditors agree to be for how much of amount? That is 25%. They leave off how much of amount? 25%. Remaining how much we have to pay? Remaining 75% we have to pay. Entry old creditors upon return to new creditors upon return to capital reduction account. How much is agreed to be forego? Is agreed to be for how much of amount? 25%. Go for 3 lakh into 25%. That is 75,000 is profit. How much we have to pay for that person? That is 3 lakh. Remaining how much we need to pay? That is 2 lakh 25,000. Creditor agree to forego how much? That is 25%. Next one, land and building revalued at 15 lakh. Say sometimes we are going to give land building revalued by. By is different from at here. Land building revalued at rupees 15 lakh. At in the sense that is the present value. How much is land and building present value? Present value is 15 lakh. How much is previous value? Land building previous value is 12 lakh. Present value is 15 lakh. So we are getting profit and loss here. We are getting profit. If you are getting any kind of profit, so what is the entry? That is land building upon data to capital reduction account. How much profit for us? Previous value is 12 lakh. present value is 15 lakh. So profit is how much? Profit is 3 lakh rupees. B, that is appreciate land and building. Next one, lost, the amount utilized to write off in the sense decreasing, or to write off in the sense almost all the amount we have to minus the value. The amount utilized to write off all intangible assets. So which are the intangible assets here? Intangible assets is goodwill, then patents. These are the two items are intangible assets we have to write off full. Then, and bring down the value of plant and machinery by 40%. We have to write off the plant and machinery by how much of amount? By 40%. Bring down means depreciating. Depreciate is comes under loss, so lost entry. So when this comes under lost entry. Whereas when come to see the previous entry, land building, it is a profit, individual entries. Loss, only one entry, that is last entry. Go for last one. So what is the entry here? That is capital reduction account R. 2, we have to consider some kind of losses. Which are the compulsory losses we have to consider? That is goodwill, then P&L account, then if it is they given any kind of preliminary expenses. See the problem. Which are items we have to consider? Goodwill, we have to consider, right? Land building, it is appreciating, don't need to consider. Plant and machinery, they are saying like bring down the value of plant and machinery by 40%. Bring down loss, that is depreciating, that is plant and machinery account. Next one, furniture, they not given any kind of information, ignore. Patents, intangible, 2 patents. Next one, stock, debtors, cash, it's a kind of current asset, even they not given any kind of adjustment for that, ignore. P&L account, we have to take compulsory because it's a kind of loss, we have to consider under loss category. How much is capital reduction account with us now? Go for first entry. How much is profit? That is 3 lakh. Second one, how much is profit? 6 lakh, so total is 9 lakh. Next one, 80,000. Next, 75,000. At last, 3 lakh, that is we are getting 13 lakh 55,000. We have to add all the capital reduction amount, that is credit. By using this 13 lakh 55,000, we have to write off some kind of losses. Which are the losses here? Goodwill, how much? 2 lakh. Next one, P&L account, 5 lakh. Next one, plant and machinery by how much? Plant and machinery by 40%. How much plant and machinery here? That is 10 lakh into 40%, that is 4 lakh. Next one, patents, it's a kind of intangible, so consider full. How much? 1 lakh 50,000. 13 lakh 55,000 minus 2 lakh minus 5 lakh minus 4 lakh minus 1 lakh 50,000. How much amount still with us? That is, take it as capital reserve, that is only 1 lakh 5,000. What is the meaning for this? And come to B. By using capital reduction amount, we write off all the kind of intangible. By using capital reduction amount, write off intangible assets and plant and machinery, and balance amount transfer to capital reserve. How much? That is 1 lakh 5,000. This is how we need to prepare what? The journal entries. When come to journal entries, go for profit we have to pass the separate entries. For loss we have to pass only, that is lost entry. One more. Interest, debentures, if they agree to be forego, it's a kind of profit for us. You have to pass the separate entry. But if they, for preference shares, if they agree to be forego any kind of preference dividend, don't consider anywhere because it's not a kind of which one? Compulsory obligation. Whereas when come to debenture, it's a kind of compulsory obligation. Now, by using this journal entries, we have to prepare the balance sheet. See, balance sheet we have to prepare not on the horizontal basis, we have to prepare on the vertical basis. And come to balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Equity and liability, then we need to go for application of funds. See, for this we have to prepare while preparing the new balance sheet, we have to check out the old balance sheet. See, equity and liabilities, first one, 12% preference shares are to be reduced to 100 each. Preference shares, I already told, liabilities, asset, debit, credit. If this credit and if this debit minus, if this asset and then minus here. See the liabilities, if this preference share, if it is debited we need to minus, if it is credited we need to add. Go for old preference share to new preference share to capital reduction. Here we have to consider only the new preference share. How much new preference share value here? New preference share value is only 9 lakh. It is credited, if it is credited we need to add. That is preference shares. How much preference share capital? Preference share capital value is 9 lakh. Next one, they give information about equity share. See the information about equity share. New equity share capital how much? That is 6 lakh. Equity share capital, that is 6 lakh. Next one, they give information about 10% debenture rupees 8 lakh. See, this is called as principal amount. 10% debenture rupees 8 lakh. We pass any kind of information about debenture amount here. Debenture amount means principal amount, not the interest amount. We pass the information about outstanding interest. Don't consider the interest amount. We pass any kind of entry for the debenture. There is no any kind of entry for debenture. So write the same amount, that is 10%. So instead of 10%, at present we have to pay 15%. 15% debenture amount remain same 8 lakh. From next year, this person is getting 15%. Next one, they give an outstanding interest on debenture, that is 80,000. Outstanding interest on debenture, that is how much? 80,000. Liability, debit, minus 80,000 minus 80,000, nil. So don't consider outstanding interest amount. Next one, bank overdraft. When come to bank overdraft, we not pass any kind of entry, so write the same amount. Bank overdraft, how much? That is 60,000. Next one, when come to creditors, we pass any kind of entry for creditors here. We pass the entry, that is old is how much? Old creditors is 3 lakh. But for this person, at present we are paying only how much of amount? Only we are paying only 2 lakh 25,000. So take it as creditors, that is 2 lakh 25,000. Next one, at end of liabilities, here we are getting some kind of reserve. How much reserve amount? 1,05,000. Actually this reserve we have to write under here, but I am writing here. Capital reserve, how much? That is 1,05,000. This is the total of equity and liabilities. Next one, same we have to consider for application of fund. When comes to application of fund, see as I said, first one, goodwill. Goodwill is how much here? 2 lakh. Debit, add, credit, minus. When come to goodwill, it is credited, so minus. So don't consider goodwill. Land and building, previous value is 12 lakh. Previous value is 12 lakh. Land and building is debited, so we need to add. Land and building, previous value is 12 lakh plus present value is how much? Present value is 3 lakh. So totally we have to consider that is 15 lakh rupees. Next one, plant and machinery 10 lakh. But here how much is plant and machinery now? Plant and machinery decreasing by 4 lakh. So what is the present value? So present value is plant and machineries, that is 10 lakh minus of 4 lakh. So present value is only 6 lakh. Next one, furniture, there is no any kind of journal entry for furniture, so write the same amount. Furniture, so what is the value here? Furniture is 3 lakh. Next one, patents, patents we reduce it, that is credit, so it is minus, so ignore. Next one, debtors, stock, cash, it remains same, that is stock, because for this stock, debtors, cash, we not post any kind of entry here, so it is the same value. Stock is how much? Stock value is 1 lakh. Next one, debtors value 1,30,000. Add this value. Next one, cash. Cash is 60,000. Last one, that is profit and loss account 5 lakh. So it is credited. So it is already minus. So when come to preparation of balance sheet, apply this method. At the end, we are getting total values 9 plus 6 is 15.
26 lakh 90,000.
26 lakh
90,000.
90,000. This so we need to go for, that is preparation of entries and as well as the balance sheet. When come to balance sheet, apply those rules. When come to entries, use some kind of simple concept here. Thank you.